Simula na ng conference para sa Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. First game nila against Terra Firma Jeep, tinambakan nila 80-101 ang final score. 21 ang tinambak. For Barangay Ginebra, ang best player ay si Japit Aguilar with 30 points, 4 blocks on 12 out of 15 shooting. Tapos si Scotty Thompson umambag naman with 11 points, 13 rebounds, 7 assists. So hindi ko tinitle tong video na to na paano tinalo ng Ginebra ang Terra Firma Jeep. Kasi obviously they're going to beat Terra Firma Jeep. Itong eliminations na to, they're going to win most of their games. They're going to win majority of their games. Kasi they have the tools to perform sa elimination sa All Filipino Cup. Pero ang naging question talaga kasi, di ba, nung pagdating na ng playoffs last conference, kung ano pang kayang iangat bukod dun sa triangle offense sila, paano mamamaximize yung players? Kasi yung talo nila sa TNT, 3 consecutive losses na yun sa finals eh. Yun yung mga tipo ng pagkatalo na titignan mo na yung sarili mo sa salamin and ask yourself, diba, magsa-self-reflect ka na, magpa-ponder ka na, anong kailangan kong baguhin? Ano ba kailangan kong gawin moving forward? So makikita natin, okay, they're still trying their triangle offense. Ito yung usual na pass to the wing. Okay, pass to the corner kay Scotty Thompson. Makakabuo sila ng sideline triangle dito. Then after nun, may UCLA cut. If walang pasa kay Gray, mag-empty side ball screen ngayon. Japit Aguilar, Scotty Thompson. The usual. Diba? Pero kasi pagdating ng playoffs, diba, may mga scenario or may mga situation na hindi na siya effective. And doon nagiging handy yung mga ball screen actions nila. Kung makikita natin, okay, napansin ko, they ran their triangle, pero ang talagang pumukaw ng pansin ko is kapag nagba-ball screen sila. Kasi dito, after ng ball screen, RJ Abarientos drew 2 defenders. So ngayon, may advantage ang Ginebra outside of this, collection of players, 4 versus 3. So kasi, 4 na Ginebra players, 3 Terra Firma Jeep. So nag-show si Ralph ko dito sa gitna. Advantage ngayon kasi 3 Ginebra players versus 2 Terra Firma defenders and merong Stephen Holt sa corner. And yes, hindi to mga shoot lahat kasi gusto ko lang i-highlight kung ano yung napansin ko in general. Diba? Doon, ball screen nakapag-generate na advantage, open look, easy shot na dapat ma-shoot nila yon consistently. And again, dito, okay, they're going to run their triangle, UCLA cut kay Maverick, empty side ball screen, Jeremiah Gray, step up screen ngayon, RJ, Ralph Koo. Again, it's another ball screen. Makikita natin dito, RJ is going to draw 2 Terra Firma defenders. So ngayon, may advantage na naman ng Ginebra kasi 2 on the ball, kick out kay Koo, extra pass kay Jeremiah Gray. Jeremiah Gray against Aldrich Ramos, advantage for Gray sa one-on-one situation. Again, it's the ball screen. Generating advantages, drawing 2 defenders sa bola. Pero, outside doon, sa triangle, tsaka sa ball screens nila, meron silang ginagawang bago ngayon. Not necessarily overhaul, pero parang tinweak nila kung paano nila sinisimulan yung triangle sa mga ibang situations. Makikita natin dito, okay, pass ahead, forward pass, Maverick, papunta rito kay Troy Rosario, and then after nun, mag-handback kay Maverick. Okay, so now, yung bola, napunta mo na sa wing, and then, medyo nakaset ka na ng triangle. Meron nang nangyayari, kasi, makikita natin, pagka salo ni Maverick dito, pagka dribble niya sa wing, cut dito si Troy Rosario, may UCLA cut siya, pagkabigay kay Japet sa tuktok sa may wing, okay, swing, okay, there's going to be a back screen, na medyo may pagka-cross screen, parang pang poste para kay Japit Aguilar. Makikita natin, pagka-swing dito kay Troy, okay, Japit Aguilar, post position, then after ni Jeremiah Gray mag-set ng cross screen, merong down screen ngayon para sa kanya. So, para siyang motion weak, basically. Para siyang motion weak. Cross screen, ito ay down screen. Parang yung ginagawa ng Spurs noong 2014, pero iba siya in a way, pero similar ng concept. Similar ng idea. And again, hindi to lahat shoot. Papakita ko lang yung actions na tinakbo. Makita natin again, gagawin nila yun yung parang chase action. Okay, there's going to be a back pick galing kay Stephen Holt para kay Japit Aguilar. Walang pasa dun sa UCLA cut na yun. Aangat niya si Stephen Holt. Jeremiah Gray magpapakita rito. So basically, sideline triangle na rin yan. Pero mas mabilis mong sinet. And nagkaroon ka na ng earlier opportunities kanina kasi nagawa mo na yung UCLA cut eh. So pag-swing mo ngayon kay Japet, there's going to be a back pick, Jeremiah Gray kay Stephen Holt, na hindi naman post threat. So ideally, parang dapat tong play na to for guys like Japet Aguilar or even Scotty Thompson against smaller guards. Pero there's going to be a down screen for Jeremiah Gray na nabasa naman ng Terra Firma. Pero again, very interesting set. Feeling ko may potential to. Again, dito, RJ, forward pass to Koo, hand-back, Koo to Japet, swing, back to Koo. There's going to be a back pick kay Stephen Holt. Papunta kay Japet Aguilar sa basket. Itatry nilang i-alley-oop to. masasalo ng Terra Firma Jeep yung pasa, matatapek. Pero again, they're trying things. It's very interesting and ito yung mga nakikita kong possible ways na pwede nila tong i-develop pa in the future. Kung makikita natin, ito yung ginagawa nila. Okay, forward pass, hand back. Pwede nila ngayon yung gawing Spain pick and roll to. Kesa nakatambay lang yung big man dun sa ilalim and nakaharang dun sa driving lane, pwede nila yan gawing Spain action in the future. Okay, dito again, makikita natin, forward pass, hand back. There's going to be a back screen. Makikita natin, ayan, may down screen, UCLA cut. If may pasa ka na dyan, pasa mo na dyan. If wala, pwede ka naman mag-flow. Makikita natin, swing, papunta sa kabilang side. There's going to be a cross screen, papunta kay 5. Okay, so post opportunity na ngayon to. Basically, sinita mo na ng poste and meron pang down screen para kay number 3 dito. So, it's like you're running motion weak. And, if wala man, okay, na entry pass mo na, pwede mo pa ulit seta ng isa pang split action para ka ng Golden State Warriors. So, maraming pwedeng gawin. And very interesting siya for me.